Welcome back, guys, to another video. This video is going to be quite exciting and quite optimistic. So I think I figured out the biggest issue with my trading, and I think there might still be some things to iron out, but I figured out that I think the reason why I was getting a lot of trades wrong is that my bias was off. So I used to have a 3-step plan for figuring out daily bias, and that would be like phases of price, daily candle closures, and order flow. And I kind of started relying heavily on daily candle closures, and I started ignoring phases of price and order flow. And that was actually like the biggest mistake I could have done. I realized that a lot of my trades were starting to become wrong, but ever since I started incorporating back phases of price, I realized that my accuracy has actually improved. And obviously I'm incorporating everything else I've learned on how to maneuver between price and really being somewhat patient in terms of waiting for those 15-minute models. So yeah, right now I'm up 8R on this new session that I started in January. As you can see, my accuracy is so much better. I have only 2 losing trades. Actually, I take that back. I think 4. These were 2 losers here. So 4 losers, and I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 winners, I think it should be. Yeah. So right now my win rate's sitting at 60%. And yeah, we're just gonna backtest and see how this goes. Like, let's see if we can finish off. Hold on a second, what just happened? Let's see if we can finish off January. We have a whole week left. See how we can do. But that's crazy. 8R. That's amazing. And I did it pretty comfortably too. The ones that I got wrong were mostly because my timing was off, I guess, or I took the trade on the wrong asset. So that's one of the other caveats. While my direction and my accuracy in terms of determining direction has improved, the reasons why I would lose a trade now is because it's the wrong asset. So I might have to do some research on strength switches. And also, I might not get a trade because I'm breaking even. I'm actually breaking even a lot. But quite frankly, I don't mind. Like, no trade is a good trade, right? You know what I mean? So, you can't lose money from not taking a trade. So overall stats, taking 600 trades, traded 10 years worth of data at this point, 18 days worth of time invested, win rate is sitting at 40% overall, I guess, through all of these trades I've taken. I'm hoping that I can finally get my win rate to be higher, but I just started this session, just started incorporating phases of price again, so who knows. With that being said, let's try and get some trades in right now. So today is a Tuesday, so we just had Monday. We're coming back into this daily fair value gap. Order flow is clearly very, very bullish. I believe we are heading towards this high. No reason to fade this, but I'm gonna go down to the 4-hour and see what the the overall phases of price that we're in looks like. But we are in a daily fair value gap, and the only way to leave a fair value gap is by manipulation. And quite frankly, if we were gonna go lower, we'd want to manipulate the high. So I don't think it makes any sense for us to go lower unless maybe we're rebalancing equilibrium or something like that. Not only that, the only way we can go down long term is to take this high, but right now this looks like a retracement, right? So yeah, this is exactly what it looks like, a retracement. It doesn't make any sense to like go lower. Again, if we do, it would be because we're probably trying to rebalance equilibrium of this candle leg here. So yeah, we can kind of like take a look at what all these look like. So obviously it looks like YM is our stronger asset. Mind you, I don't 100% know how to determine which asset is like stronger, which one is weaker, which one's the middle. I'm kind of just doing it by eye, but sometimes I'm definitely wrong because, for example, I'll enter on like YM and it will like consolidate while NASDAQ is just ripping up to new highs, and it's just like, what the fuck? So that's something I may have to work on, but right now I'm just trying to see if my accuracy and my directional bias is overall correct. So with that being said, this is definitely a retracement. Just going back to the daily real quick, we can't fade equal highs. We are very close to this high. It's basically equal. I can't fade that, so we have to go higher. Right now, we're putting in a C2 daily type situation right now. So I can definitely see us going higher. And then also we're in a fair value gap, a daily fair value gap. So I would like to see higher prices. If we are going to go lower, it looks like we're consolidating right here, right? So if we are going to go lower, we're going to take this out. Like, let's say we, and the reason why I say if we're going to go lower is because maybe we would want to come back to equilibrium, because we actually haven't tapped equilibrium of this range on any of the assets right now. So I would say if we wanted to go lower, we'd probably have to maybe take this high here. We are kind of consolidating right now. So to go lower, we must go higher first. That kind of logic. But ultimately, I think as of right now, how things are looking, I do want to go higher first. I think. Yeah, I think higher is the play right now. But I don't think we're going up here. I think we're going to here and then go lower. It is Tuesday, right? So what am I looking for? Let's see. So first thing I'm looking for is a relevant level to be formed, and a 15-minute candle telling us that we're gonna go up to the upside. First of all, is the low of day formed from anything of true significance? I mean, we do have this SMT here. We did take this low, London low. I don't think we did take London low on NASDAQ, but we do have a two-stage, I believe. It's a two-stage SMT between here and here, because NASDAQ YM did not take this low, so it's a two. So low of day is set with a two-stage SMT. No PSP. Wait. Actually, yes, this is a PSP. So it's set with a two-stage SMT and a PSP. So I hopefully we don't see this low, but we could. PSP center to the right, middle, right? Yeah. Let's make it black. I think I'm gonna make this my new PSP thing. I have it as like this blue thing right now, but I'm kind of like not digging it that much, so I'm probably just gonna save it to this. I think I prefer this a lot more. Yeah, I like this more. So yeah, so we have a two-stage SMT and a PSP. So we have 3 stages of divergence. Let's hope it holds. So that means I do not want to really, I don't want to see that low. Now let's see here. Let's see. We do have a 15-minute model here already. We do have a swing point taking out, all of this. We are manipulating this low of this fair value gap here. We do have this here, but it's kind of early. And so 2 things can happen here. We could end up ripping, which I don't really want to happen. Yeah, I would prefer us to sweep at least one more time. Yeah. So in terms of which one I'm liking NASDAQ. I need this to close. Oh, it is closed. Alright, I'm going to take this trade here. Trade all the way here. And targets this high. Actually, it can do a little bit less than that. 1 to 3. But I have to go break even as soon as we... Probably as soon as we take Asia. Because we're really close to London. So I wouldn't expect us to... Unless it was on YM, because we're really close to London. So we would probably have to go break even as soon as we hit this. So yeah, you have to look at what is close to you, because we could definitely reverse price suddenly. Whoa. So I want to see where price could end up coming back on me for whatever reason. So here's the thing. This is still relatively early. This could totally fail on me. But this is not the low of the day, so I can take this. We have 2 stages of divergence. We have the sweep. We have a 15-minute... We have a 15-minute model. We are... Let me see. Did we flip on the other assets? Not really. That's actually kind of not good. Because one of my rules is to wait until they all flip, but I could end up missing the trade if I do that. Okay, now they're flipping. Everything's flipping. Yeah, okay. I don't like how that didn't just run up. Come on. No. Okay. See, I don't like how everything just came down like that. I did not want that to happen. Fuck. Fuck. So here's the thing. It could still end up going up. I don't know why it fucking did that. We did end up putting in a 15-minute model at the high here, like very subtly. I guess it's because we were consolidating. I mean, this makes sense to come lower, but like, if you wanted to like end up going higher, but like fucking hell, bro. And we shouldn't have. This was supposed to be our low of day. This is the type of bullshit that I can't stand. It's already 10 o'clock too. Fucking hell. If it's going to continue going lower, I have no interest in being involved in this. Because I was hoping that maybe we'd reverse after we took this high. So we're flipping again. Okay, but I will have to say, what did I do wrong? I didn't wait for them all to flip. That was kind of what I did wrong there. But it's just fucking bullshit, bro. Only for it to then... But that's not a... Only for it to now fucking... I can't even trust this. Why can't I trust this? Bearish fair value gap. I have no interest in being involved in this trade anymore. Because it's nearly 11. We went down. We're just chopping now. We don't even have a 15-minute model. I don't fucking know why it did that. This consolidation was probably the issue, but again, I don't know why the fuck it did that. Tapped into discount. Like, what the fuck, bro? It literally had, I don't think it had any reason to fucking do that. It makes no fucking sense. Fuck, bro. SMT. I don't really have much interest to be involved in this anymore. So we have a 30-minute. But this is the type of shit I don't like, right? I don't like taking double trades in a day. I'd rather just take one trade and call it done. The thing is, I can't even anticipate this going up unless we tapped into a key level. I don't... like a relevant level, which would be here. But at this point, this is I guess it's SMT'd actually. I guess it's SMT'd. Like, look at all this is all low resistance. Fucking hell, bro. Like, it makes no sense why that shit. And we have equal fucking highs. Like, what? So bullshit. I get nervous about entering a double trade because I tend to, like, if I enter a trade twice in a day, I'm most likely going to lose the second one if I lost the first one. Let's see here. I don't like how this looks. This is flipping though, but I don't like how it looks. 15-minute model with the SMT. We have a tiny little fair value gap here. I don't like that. Actually, it's fine because we manipulated the low. This is a change in state. Fuck, I can try it. It's 11 o'clock. Probably lower my risk on this one. Fucking hell. Why did I lose the fair value gap? That's why. Okay, so clearly my bias was wrong here. Lost double time. This is why I don't take 2 trades in a row, because I tend to... And the crazy thing is, it ends up going up. This ended up as an up candle. Make it make sense, bro. Make it make fucking sense. Actually, sorry, that was not a daily candle. Ah, fuck. Fuck. Now I see what happened. Now I see what happened. We were heading towards this low. I took a trade because I was trying to fade equal lows. I can't fucking do that. The thing is, I thought we were going down, but I thought we would go up first. So my draw was completely wrong. Lost twice in a row because of that. So, yeah, I need to get better at reading price. Now that I understand it's a phase of price thing, I just need to get better at it. So obviously we went into a discount. Oops. Went into a discount like I thought we were gonna do, but I thought we were gonna go up first, then like take out this little high and then go lower, but I guess I was wrong. We were just dropping down. I did think that we were gonna come down here to, well, honestly, not even that low, but like at least come back to this fair value gap. Here's the thing, we're in a fair... Oh god, we just busted through it. What the fuck? We did tap into a relevant level, though. So actually, I guess it doesn't matter. It's SMT'd with a PSP as well. So there's that. This is a PSP. I can't even fucking... Yeah, I really like this a lot more than that blue one I had going on. So, low is set with a SMT and a PSP, so we probably shouldn't see that low again. Are these relatively equal? We have SMTs here, right? Yeah, it's SMT. So, low of day is set with an SMT, actually. Can probably write that out right here. Fuck, it's so tiny I can't even fucking see. Low of day is set with an SMT. So I would want to, what would I want to see here? I want to see a pullback, a 50-minute entry into continuation. Where are we going? I'm not even sure. Like maybe this high. This is the most prominent high that sticks out. So today is a Wednesday as well, so probably going to be expanding towards this high. We're already... Fucking hell, YM. Looks like YM's the strongest asset as well. I hate being near a draw on liquidity. Why? Because we might just tap into it. Not only that, we technically... Alright, what the fuck? Fuck. I don't like that we're already there, you know what I mean? We do not have a relevant level. Well, we have low of day, yeah, but we need another swing opposing... fuck, that's exactly what I didn't want to happen. Alright, looking for failure to manipulate, potentially to continue to go higher. I still need a 50-minute model, by the way. Fuck me. Okay. This would become an... This would... I don't know if this is going to be... This is already looking like a C2 type situation. because this would be an SMT here. Are we going lower though is the question, right? Because this would be high of day. I wouldn't be, so we have some filters here, right? I would need to, okay. It looks like we're failing to manipulate. But what do I still have to wait for? A 15-minute model? I can't just, okay, what the fuck? Two-stage SMT, possibly? What's good about being at the high of day is that you have the filter of not taking the first CISD anyways. So if this is going to flip, right, I still need two SMTs, right? Because we do have a 15-minute model. Let's check the 30-minute. Not so, we do have a 30-minute C2 that again is also SMT'd. Let's see if we get, okay, nice, but I need another CISD. So this would be your first CISD, right? But I need another one. I can't take the first CISD. So that I can take that. Yeah. Yeah, that's exactly what we're doing. I'm gonna take it on, I think, I'm gonna take it on NASDAQ. So this closed, right? 45. Shit. Yeah, I can take this. Short. And take it all the way, maybe not to the low, but at least to London. Let's see if we can get that 1 to 3. Stop to break even, possibly here. We did cross this, but shit, we already hit it actually. We hit it on, was it this here? But they all took it, so maybe I can stop to break even. Please continue lower. Give me my 1 to 3, gosh damn it. And we got it. 1 to 3. So that's good. We recouped what we lost on the last trade. So yeah, the market offered 1 to 3. I took that shit. Up 10R now. Shouldn't have took 2 losses here, but it's fine. Yeah, that's crazy. Like I'm trading properly. Like this is a legitimate session where I'm trading properly and not doing anything crazy. This is why I haven't been, well, you guys, again, I have the pre-recorded videos, so you guys see the videos that I record like days or weeks in advance. But this is, I'm going to tell you the date today because I'm probably going to upload this today. Monday the 8th, December 8th, 2025, right? This is me, like, this whole session, I've been trading properly. I haven't been doing anything reckless. I haven't been doing anything crazy. I've been trading with proper rules and just trading properly, basically. And I'm up 10R. I think this is the highest R&R trading properly I've ever gotten. And, yeah, we're just going to see if this continues. I don't know if I'm going to continue. I mean, it's only been 23 minutes. All right, let's just keep going, I guess. We got time to kill. I know you guys like these long-term backtesting sessions, so I'm gonna keep it going. That was a beautiful trade. Looks like could have also taken it on YM, it seems. But yeah, this is just really cool, really cool. All right, next one. All right. So, okay, we have C2 closure, you know. C2 closure here. So this is the first part, you know, daily candle closure. What does it look like just off of the daily chart? Then you go lower and confirm with the phases of price. Obviously, our draw is here. Draw is higher up here. And yeah. So all I really need to do now is just to prove and keep this consistency up for a couple months, like maybe a year's worth of backtesting, 3 months in a row, be able to get 6R plus multiple times, and then just continue doing that. And then just making sure, validating that the results are sustainable, and that I'm trading the correct way. And then yeah, I'll be ready for a prop firm, which is really crazy because the last 2 days I've been putting in 8 hours plus trying to figure out what the hell is wrong with my trading. And I, a lot. I was, those thoughts creep in where you're like, man, maybe I should just give up. Will this ever work? And yada yada yada. And it's kind of crazy because it's like when you don't give up and you just keep going, and you keep searching for answers, you kind of eventually figure out what you need to know. And it's just a testament to how bad you want something, you know what I mean? Especially something that can potentially change your life. So yeah, if you guys are struggling now, don't know if trading's gonna work out or whatever, just keep going. Don't give up. Keep searching for answers. They'll eventually come, right? But I'm speaking too soon. I'm still trying to make sure my results make sense and yada yada. But all right, so let me see here. This is looking like a consolidation right here. This is 100% a consolidation. So if it's a consolidation, what do I need to see? I need to see a sweep out of a low / lows, and then a move higher. If higher is the goal, we need, and it's not like we're already on our way there. We're like consolidating. What day is today? Today's a Thursday. Go back out to the daily, look at the weekly profile. Monday came down, down, down. We finally reversed, midweek reversal on Wednesday. And we have no more reason to go lower, that's for sure. And all the reasons to go higher. So I'm not looking to see bearish prices. Just based off the daily, right? Just based off the daily. I am going to mark out these bearish fair value gaps, though, because they could be a problem. But yeah, looking at the phases of price, right? This is looking like, also YM seems to be our strongest asset. This is looking like, so we wanted to go through this bearish fair value gap, but we started consolidating. So how do we fade a how do we get through this? Well, we have to go higher first, which is again what I was expecting the other day. I was expecting us to go to here, but kind of fell short, and then we ended up coming back. So I mean, my prediction was correct, right? Because this is exactly what I was thinking that it was going to do. I was trying to get up to this high first, then to go lower to this low, but I guess I was overzealous of where I thought it was going to go. So it ended up, well, actually on YM it did get there. Fuck, it got there on YM. So never mind, I was correct. It did exactly what I thought it was going to do. And then go to the low here. Right, so now we're kind of trending back up. The only issue is that it's consolidating / creating low resistance liquidity, which is not a good sign. So that means that either we're going to open up into here and then go lower, or we're going to go lower first. Ideally, I'd like to see us go lower first, sweep out that liquidity, and then go higher. But I can't really see too much what the hell is... Yeah, you can see it, right? It's a... Yeah, this is a consolidation. Let's see what it does. So it's opening... I don't trust whatever the fuck this is doing. I would expect it to sweep lower. I'm not expecting it to go high right now. Because look, we're in a bearish fair value gap. What does that mean? If we want to go higher, we have to go lower first. So that's what I'm looking for. But if it's going to go lower first, where is it going to? Where could it possibly go to? I mean, obviously sweep out London, but we already kind of did sweep out London, all that stuff, right? I want to see, because we're close to those lows. Oh yeah, well, these are all low resistance liquidity. Yeah, it's all not low resistance, they're equal lows. We can't trade away from equal lows. That's one of my filters, by the way. You can't trade away from equal lows. You have to take them out before you can go higher. So, with that being said, it's 9:36. Are we going to get an entry to go lower, or are we just going to open up to it? It looks like we're just going to open up to it. By the way, any news? We have news at 9:45. Okay. Alright. Yeah, I think we're just going to open up into this. Yep, exactly what I thought. Now I can look for a model. Okay, and we took out this low as well. Wasn't expecting such a huge dip. So if we can get a flip now. Wait, we didn't take it out actually. But it's equal loads, so it might as well, right? Yeah, we tapped into it. So now if you get a flip, that would be a SMT, which would be our relevant level. And it looks like NASDAQ might be our strongest. Let's see. Let's see if we can get a flip. We still need a 15-minute model. Oh, fuck. Oh, no. NASDAQ is ripping up. But the issue is this a 30? Okay. It's a 30. Alright, yeah. So, we have an SMT here. Wasn't a 15-minute model, but it is a 30-minute model. NASDAQ is ripping up high. We open up a gap, though. Is that going to be a problem? Nah, I don't think so. Alright. CISD. Did this close? Fuck. It didn't close. Oh, shit. Now I can take it. Long. Stop here. Where were we trying to go to? Aish. This is the one thing I don't like about this. We're really close to this high. And then up here is... It's not previous day high, is it? Oh, it's the fair value gap. Honestly, I could see us getting up here. Well, that's a really huge range. I don't know about that one. Let's see. Oh, hell no. Do you think we could get up to 3R? Nah, let's go for 2. Why? It's just a lot of high resistance liquidity. I don't even think I'll get there. It's not a 15-minute model, but it is a 30-minute model. SMT at the lows. I think this could be a problem, though. And then let's just mark these out, because I need to know if anything is going to get in my way. I mean, as soon as I hit this, I have to break even anyways. Alright, I guess we'll try it. Everything's flipping. Yeah, everything's flipping. Let's see. Why the fuck would it do that? Okay, it's flipping. Shit, we're about to tap into this level. Shit, we're too close to my... Damn! So I should have broke even. The issue is that we're too close to my entry. I should have broke even. Because we tapped into this high. Aish. Would it have been better if I entered on ES? Sub would have probably had to have been at the bodies at the very least. Not necessarily. Alright, it's already 11, that's it. Worth a try. It did end up going up, just not, it wouldn't have hit 2R, and then looks like ES was the best asset for this, but it doesn't even matter because it wouldn't have hit 2R. But that was the opportunity. Yeah, it even went past this fair value gap. Yeah. Shame. This is why we reversed. It was worth a try. It was worth a try. Alright, next one. And it did end up going off, by the way. Crazy. Oh, actually, it was an indecisive candle. Oh, okay. It is a PSP, though, so obviously, strength switch here. We're still going up to this high. Check phases of price. Not gonna lie, guys, I seriously have PTSD from my losing streak. That I've had in trading. Like, I'm so nervous. I'm like, oh god, I'm doing so good right now, but it's going to change any moment, and I'm gonna start losing again. It really sucks. That's why I need to like do multiple months to gain my, to gain your confidence back, to make sure that you feel comfortable doing what you're doing. This really sucked though. When did it? Oh, okay. I mean, okay. So yeah, this fucking sucked. It ended up taking both high and low. So yeah, this was a seek and destroy day. Fucking hell, I got caught up in seek and destroy of all days. Fucking stupid ass day. It didn't even start going up until like literally the end of the day. And even then it was still an indecisive candle. So I got caught in an indecisive day. So I mean, in that regard, like, I'm honestly not, that wasn't a bad loss. It's pretty good. I really should have broken even. I shouldn't have lost money on that trade. But it is what it is. Alright, so what are we going up to? For us, that would be this high. And for YM, it would be this high, but we're really fucking close to it. YM is just ripping higher and higher. It's definitely a stronger asset right now. Low of day is not set with anything in particular. If we tap into this at open, it could become an SMT, so I'll have to watch to see if we fail to manipulate or what. The driver will usually tell us what. If, honestly, if we're close to the target, then the driver will probably just open up into it. Or, speaking of which, news. Oh, today's a Friday. I don't have a C2 model. So the driver opened up into the target. This now becomes a SMT. So maybe we could get a flip. Failure to manipulate. I need to see. Okay, we're just barreling off. Fuck. We have SMT at the highs. Well, actually, it's a two-stage SMT, right? Because we haven't taken this high. So right now, we do have some divergence here. Alright, let's see if we can get something. If not, no 15-minute model. Okay, now we have another C2 model. Let's see. It's about to be, it's 10:30 right now, so maybe we get a 10:30 open, high, low, close. So C2. Oh, but actually, gotta be careful because this looks like this could be going up, right? If this goes up, it might be failure to manipulate, but because it's a Friday, I honestly am more expecting us to go back into the range. Okay, so we're going up. Do I trust this? Probably not. Oh shit, are we really going up? I can't trust that. Yeah, I can't trust that. And you're probably wondering why can't I trust that? Because I can't long at the highest point of the day. I would need to see a deeper retracement and then to go high. Right now we're getting another fucking C2. Let's see. Okay, and it's also 11 a.m. Open, high, low, close. Let's look at the 30 minute. 30 minutes is not really giving me anything. 1 hour, not giving me anything either. But we do have a 15-minute positional or a 15-minute fractal. So let's see if we can get a... Okay, so we have our first CISD there. Can we get another one? First one. Ooh, here we go. I think. Right? I think I can take this. Everything, hold on. SMT at the highs. 15-minute model. 15-minute model. 30-minute C2. With SMT highs. Hit a key level. SMT, huge SMT intact here. It's this one. Huge SMT intact. 11 a.m. open, high, low. Yeah. I don't see why not. Do not see why not. 2 stages of divergence. Most high probability. Fractal model with 2 stages of divergence. If this failed, that would be the, like, craziest upset in history, bro. 30-minute model as well. No fucking reason this should fail, actually. What is our weaker asset, though? That's that's one of the reasons why it would fail. It's supposed to be NASDAQ, but I don't know. Nah, I'm not fucking taking that on NASDAQ. Fuck NASDAQ. In fact, NASDAQ is the last one to put in. Alright, let's do this. Just go for 1 to 2, not anything crazy. I have to, like, probably break even as soon as we get that low, though. Fuck. I have to probably break even as soon as we get this low here. Like that. Yeah, break even. Damn. Come on, please. Damn. Fuck. Alright, it's, nearly got there. Not quite. This is why it's important to move your stops or break even as soon as you take a level. Did take it on the best asset though, because nothing else took this. In fact, I guess when we hit this, we also put in an SMT, which pushed us back up to the upside here. If I went for 1 to 1, I could have gotten it, but it's whatever. Not a bad trade. Next, a lot of break-even trades. Lots of break-even. Ah, fuck. What is this, bro? What is today, a Monday? I don't like how this looks. Ah, I see. Yeah. We had the SMT at the highs here. So... What is it? Do we want to go back? I don't think so. To go all the way back down? I don't know about that. Oh, fuck. Shit, that actually might be it. Well, we're really close to this low. Can't fade relatively equal lows. Could end up being an SMT to push us back up, though. I don't know, we'll try that. Because this is very bearish. And like, we're way into discount, right? Yeah. Oops. Let's see here. Oops. What the hell? Okay, after we hit that high, price just started tanking down. Any news that came out? 8:30 news. This is probably why we're tanking right now. 8:30 news. 1 hour. Or maybe not. Looks like 9 o'clock is just tanking for whatever reason. Okay, that's a lot of movement on the daily. Wow, that's a lot. No, the daily candle already moved a lot. Okay. Let's go back to the hourly. I don't know. I feel like this is a low probability day. Why? We just moved a lot already on the daily. The daily range is already, like, worked. Like, it literally took us, like, 2 days to get up here, and we just got down here in one. Like, what? I mean, regardless, I guess I don't know. This is just a little weird. Yeah, I don't know. And then not only that, like, these are all like relatively close. Like, what would you constitute as a like a relevant level in this aspect? You know what I mean? We're really close to. We took out all of this. I don't even know. Ah, that's better. Yeah, I prefer that actually. I prefer that. I prefer us to go into that level so I can use it as a potential SMT to reverse price and go back up to the upside, unless we're going to continue to tank, which would be very aggressive, by the way. Because we took out this high, we have to go back and take out a low to then continue higher. I see. Okay, I guess. All right, let's see how this turns out. Regardless, I still need a 15-minute positional. If this flips, that would become an SMT, and we could trade price back up to the upside. Or, I mean, I still can't do anything here, right? That's a 15-minute positional. Okay, so they both tapped into this low, mind you. We haven't tapped into it on ES yet, so... By the way, this is very aggressive. It's already 10 o'clock. And it looks like it's kind of trying to head down here. Like, what the fuck? What the fuck? That's kind of gnarly. Boba tea, gnarly. Tesla, gnarly. Fried chicken, gnarly. Party in the Hollywood Hills. Yeah, this is awkward. Let's see if we can get a 15-minute positional. Then I'll check back to see. We already have a 15-minute positional, but as you can see, it's still going down. I need to see that candle flip like green or whatever. Okay, actually. Oh, fuck. What? Oh, what the fuck? fuck? Okay, but at this point, you might as well just tap into it, because that would be a failure swing at that point. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it doesn't make any sense for that shit to... But because we've gone so much down in the day, we're tapping into relevant levels, I can totally see us flipping from here. It would have been better if we had an SMT, but I mean... Why do I say that it would be better? Because I think it would be very weird for us to flip when we're almost at this low on ES. You know what I mean? It doesn't make any sense, but I mean, we can still watch it. This would be the first CISD. I believe we're gonna go lower. Okay. What the fuck? Are you serious? That doesn't make any sense. I don't feel comfortable taking this. I don't think I can take this. Why? Because we have opposing fair value gaps here, and we're literally fading this low. That doesn't make any fucking sense. Why would we fade that though? I know it's like, I guess it becomes an SMT, but right when we're right by it, that doesn't make any sense. So I can do two things. I'm going to count this as my CISD. Shit, I don't know. Because technically it's not the low of the day. So technically... this is hard. I could take this or I could wait. But if I wait, it might run away from me. Fuck. I think we're just gonna go. I think we're just gonna keep going. Fuck. Okay, hold on. If it continues through this fair value gap, I'll take it. Shit, what the fuck? Tesla, gnarly. Fried chicken, gnarly. Fuck. I'll just long it. Should I do it from here or here? We can totally get 1 to 3. I'll do this. Either this is gonna end up bad or I don't know. Oh, we have to watch out for highs. What the hell? Any relevant highs? What the fuck? Okay, that one. Yeah. I'll break even as soon as we take this high, if we get there. I hope we get there. I mean, even though we didn't take the loan, it's an SMT, so I mean, it's probably fine, I guess. Oh, fuck. Fuck, I should have broke even. And there we go. Fuck! I should have broke even once we hit that high. Same issue we ran into on the other one. Was too close to my entry. I should have fucking took this shit on ES. Wrong asset. So a lot of my losses now. Wait, that's not even my. That's not even what my entry was. Wait a minute. I couldn't even take this. I take that back. I couldn't even take this on. I could take this entry. And I would have got my 2R. So, wrong asset. Yeah, that's usually why I lose trades now. Either wrong bias, which is kind of rare now, or I take it on the wrong asset, which is crazy. But actually, or maybe bad entry. I think it was actually bad entry. Because this is our first or second CISD, on the 1 minute that is, right? And then, but we never even got up to this high. That's the thing. We never even got up to that high. So I think this is mainly a wrong asset problem. And it looks like I was right to pinpoint that high. Didn't get there on. And it ends up continuing higher. Or do we go and take out that low like I thought? Fuck! I knew it! Never fade equal lows. Never fucking do it. But I mean, there was a trade here. There was a legitimate trade here. Fuck. And let me guess. Does it start flipping bullish again? Or nah? Nah? Yes, it does. Okay. No SMT, though. And no... Yeah, no SMT. Unless we're gonna try and get here. I don't know. We can... I don't think I'm gonna take another trade again, but, like, I'm just gonna... Because, like, this is our first CISD, right? Couldn't take that even if we wanted to. Okay, maybe this? Oh, yeah. I could probably take this. Because it's a pullback. Do I take it? No. Actually, no. Call. Okay, yeah, because this bearish fair value gap. Unless we get, like, another 15-minute positional. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't take it because of this. And then, again... We're really close to this low, so I'm like... Ooh, we're flipping, though. We're flipping. Hold up. Shit. Change in state would be here. Oh. Wait, can I take this? Can I take this? I think I can. Nasdaq is like the weakest. Fuck Nasdaq. I'm gonna take this on. Shit. Ooh, why am I doing this? Did this close? Tesla, gnarly. Fried chicken, gnarly. Party in the Hollywood Hills. Why am I doing this? I don't fucking... That's a big ass stop loss. Dead ass. Fuck. I don't know if I should do this. Let's try it. I'll have to break even. Let's see. Okay, it's going. Did I break even here, or... Now I have to break even. Why? Because we took this high. Can we get up to the high? Okay, we didn't take this high yet. I might be overzealous with this. I might end up breaking even. Or do we get there? Oh. Oh, I got there. Oh, crap. Okay, cool. Yeah. I guess that's... But that's the thing, though. I don't want to rely on taking 2 trades in a fucking day. About 50-50, though. I mean, ultimately, I'm ending up more green than not. I mean, but still, I don't want to fucking take 2 trades in a day. So... as you can see, my accuracy has improved. The only issue is that the first trade will wipe me out, second trade will work out. That's happening a lot. Like these ones where you see that I'm in the green, but I took 2 trades are most likely trades where I was wrong at first, and then it actually did end up going in my direction. I re-entered and got a profit. So that happened here, here. You just saw this in real time here. And I really don't want to get into the habit of doing that. I'd rather take 1 trade and done. You know what I mean? But 10R, which is crazy, disciplined trading, 10R, crazy. Like, I think that's the highest R&R I've gotten trading, like, with pretty disciplined, which is good. Should we do another one, or... Actually, no, it's been, like, an hour now. So, yeah, this has been crazy. Hopefully this continues. But because my trading has improved, I fixed what I believe was wrong with my trading for these last couple days, couple weeks. Hopefully we can continue to see improvement from here. Honestly, even like, let's say I don't change anything and just keep doing what I'm doing right now. If I can still consistently make 6R, that, like, I'd be happy, bro. Like, I would be so fucking happy. if I can make 6R consistently over like 6 months in a row to a year worth of backtesting data, like that'd be cool. Now, if I went in and worked on like picking the right asset and working on trying not to get break evens as much, and I really improved my R&R by a lot and my accuracy by a lot, like bro, that would just be crazy. But right now I'm just working on accuracy in general. So as you can see, in a month I'm averaging about 50%, but then again, some of those are taking 2 trades in a day, so I don't really like that. But you know, I'm gonna work on it. I'm gonna see how it goes. I'll probably continue recording this session for you guys, because I do want to see, because my trading has gotten a lot better. I fixed what was breaking my trading. I can probably start doing those long-term back testings again, because that's one of the reasons why I wasn't doing them, because I was trying to like, you know, figure out my trading and shit. So with that being said, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. This is coming out today. Yeah. Bye.